The AI boom isn't just about intelligence, it's about money flowing in circles so big they can reshape the entire global economy. Here's what's really wild. Nvidia invests in OpenAI, and OpenAI uses that same money to buy Nvidia's GPUs. Sounds efficient, right? Or maybe it's something else. Because this is the $1 trillion AI loop, a circular monetary system that now powers and possibly distorts the entire AI industry. And the question we are asking today is simple. Is this innovation at scale or financial illusion waiting to burst? Here's what's really happening. Tech giants like Nvidia, OpenAI, AMD, and Oracle have created what some analysts are calling an AI circular economy. And here's how it works for them. Investors pour billions into AI startups, and those startups then use the funds to buy compute power. The compute comes from Nvidia's GPUs and Oracle's cloud. Nvidia's stock price surges, attracting more investment. The cycle repeats bigger every single time. According to Financial Times and Bloomberg, OpenAI alone has over $1 trillion worth of compute contracts, which is equivalent to 20 gigawatts of power. To put that into perspective, that's basically equal to 20 nuclear power plants running non-stop just to train and host AI models. But here's where it really gets risky. A lot of that growth isn't backed by profits. In fact, it's backed by debt. Banks, private equity funds, the hedge lenders are now offering GPU collateralized loans. And yes, they are literally treating graphic cards like gold. Companies like CoreWeave and Lambda have taken multi-billion dollar loans with Nvidia GPUs listed as the collateral asset. Friends, this is a brand new territory. We've never seen hardware become both technology and a financial instrument. Think of it like the 2008 housing market, except this time the houses are racks of chips and everyone's betting they'll keep going up in value. And this just isn't about tech anymore. It's now, in fact, getting deeply geopolitical. The US is fighting to keep control of compute power. China is racing to build up own domestic chips, and the Middle East is quietly turning into the new AI energy hub where petrodollars meet compute clusters. Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and India are investing billions into AI infrastructure because compute power is the new oil. Whoever controls compute controls the next wave of innovation, defense, and even diplomacy. So the $1 trillion AI loop isn't just a business story. It's an arms race in disguise. Now let's look at both sides of the argument. Optimists say this loop is just the market doing its job. Early investment always looks excessive before the payoff. Think railroads, Ethernet, fiber, or even cloud computing, all starting with overbits. They argue that this is the compute age, and every GPU, every data center, every line of code is an investment into a $1 trillion future economy. But the skeptics, they see something scarier. They warn that if AI adoption slows or if model training becomes more efficient, we could be sitting on the next tech bubble, inflated by circular money and speculative debt. Because if one player in the loop falls, the ripple could hit everyone. And now here is the twist. Every industrial revolution starts as a loop. In early 1900s, railways were overbuilt. In the 1900s, the internet had its dot-com crash, but the infrastructure survived and reshaped the world. AI could follow the same path. The first wave might be speculative, but the winners will be those building the picks and shovels of this era. AI data centers, GPU leasing networks, smart energy grids, power-efficient cooling systems. That's where the real wealth gets created quietly, beneath the hype. So here's the truth. The AI revolution is real, but so is the financial engineering behind it. Right now, we are watching the world's biggest tech experiment, a $1 trillion loop connecting compute, capital, and ambition. If it works, it could transform civilization. But if it breaks, it could reset the global economy. So the next time you hear AI boom, ask yourself, is it innovation or is it a loop of leverage? Let me know what you think in the comments, brilliance or bubble. And if you want to stay ahead in these shifts, follow Wisdom Loom where we decode the truth behind the tech hype. Subscribe, share this with your curious friends, and remember, understanding the loop might just be your smartest investment.